Now that you created your digital asset, you're going to need somewhere to host it. So when someone clicks on your link and they want to buy, how are they going to get it? And we're going to talk about that on this video, selling your digital assets and these different hosting options that you can choose from. Okay, so let's get started. First off, we're going to talk about our website hosting platforms. These are if you have a full website that not only has your store, but you also can have other things, your blog, your about page, those good things. If you're building a whole website, you can try places like WordPress. All right. So with WordPress, I use Bluehost, and then you can try Squarespace or you can try Shopify. Okay. So those are the three options. Make sure that any of these platforms that I am giving you, that you go and check to make sure that you not only check for pricing, but make sure that you check to make sure that the platform that I'm sharing with you has the features that you are looking for and your overall goal for your business. All right. So if you are building a brand and you know you want to blog on your website, you may need a WordPress website. Okay. Maybe if you are only selling, digital assets, now you can put about page and things like that on the Squarespace and Shopify as well. But if you know that what you're building it for the long haul, you're building it for your legacy with your branding and your business, get a full website. Okay. Get a full website and try one of those three. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Now, you also have your digital product marketplaces. All right. You can have a website where it's just selling digital products, something like payhip.com, gumroad.com, as well as Sellfy. I think it's Sellfy. No problems. I'm linking all of these resources in the description down below in my video. Okay. So you can try any of those. Those may work for you. All right. Well, it's just a digital product marketplace. That's all you have to do is just sell your digital products there. So you may not be building a full brand. Maybe you are a YouTuber and all you do is sell digital products. Have just that. Okay. Have just that. Don't make this more complicated. Again, you choose according to your budget as well, but you also want to choose according to your overall plan for your business, your brand, whatever you are doing. Okay, because everyone has different goals and just different aspirations and different things that you want to do in your business, and then everybody has different budgets as well. So if you're just selling digital products, PayHip may be the way to go. All three of these are very low cost or no cost. Like PayHip is no cost. You can start. However, they're going to charge you. I think they take 2% or something like that from every sale that you make. If you don't make any sales, you're not paying anything. Okay, and PayHip, you could do digital products. You can build a whole store there. Gumroad as well. I think with Gumroad you can do for free. They take a certain percentage. So there's that. All right. The same thing with Sellfy. I think Sellfy is a little different. You might have to pay a monthly cost. But again, go and look at the websites. I'll put them in the description and you decide. But this is where my goal for this video is to do that, to show you where you can sell them. Okay. In my previous video, I talked about ways to market them. So it's a difference between marketing something and selling something. We're talking about the selling today. Okay. The next one is e-learning. So if you are creating digital assets such as courses, mini courses, something that's going to take modules and things like that, you can use e-learning platforms such as Teachable, Thinkific, or Learn Dash. All right. There's a lot of them in there. I don't want to give you a whole list of them. However, check those out, see if they match with your goals, where you want to go, how you're building your business, and you choose what works best for you. Okay. These e-learning platforms, very easy to use. They all come with their own different price points. They all come with different features. Okay. Out of the three, I've never used LearnDash. I like Thinkific better. Teachable is nice too, but I like Thinkific better. Okay. So you choose, and to be honest, the e-learning platforms are great if you're building a course. So if your digital asset is a course and you have modules and things like that, you can use I think if it teachable or learn dash. All right. Side note, you can build these courses out in PayHip and Gumroad and Selfie. Okay, so the last three that I mentioned, you can build courses there too. Okay, it's going to be different experience. It's going to be different. So you decide. Okay. And let's talk about the link in bio sites. So you have the link in bio sites that I talk about, Pinsite, you have Stand Store, you have Beacon. This is where if you are a beginner, you're just starting out, you want a link. You know how I have a link in my bio, in my you can look on my bio there on my YouTube. Okay. I like Pinsite. I also like Campsite, but I just use a link in the bio because I use WordPress website. You know, I have different systems that I use in my business because my business is a little different. Okay. However, you can take these links in bio and just use those to host and deliver your digital product for your audience. Okay. So you Pinsite, you can upload a digital asset. I have videos here on my YouTube about Pinsite. Stand Store as well. It's another one that's popular that you can do as well. You can upload your digital asset there and it can be delivered to your customer. Okay, so you can do that. Beacon, I've heard of Beacon. I've never personally used Beacon, but that's another one as well. And I'll link them all in the description. Okay. So I hope that this video helped you to know where to sell your digital assets and places that you could go. Again, at the end of the day, it all depends on your goals, where you're going with your business. If you're building a business that's around your name and your brand, that's going to look a little bit different for those that are not. There are some people out there, they run faceless YouTubes, faceless TikTok, faceless Instagram, and they just have a Stand Store that works for them. Okay, because their face is not on anything. They're not building a brand. They're just using the online space. They're using tools such as YouTube or TikTok or Instagram to drive traffic, and they're just selling digital products. They're not really trying to do anything else besides sell digital products. But if you're like me, I use my name, my likeness, as well as my expertise, and I have built a business around that. All right. So I built a business. I used to be in publishing. Since leaving out of the publishing industry, now I sell information. So I have ways that you can work with me. I have sessions. I have, digital products, of course. I write books. I blog. So there are different ways that someone can. I have a coaching program as well. So I have a passive income powerhouse coaching program. If you're interested in that, you can apply for that. I give, audits for coaches, so I can audit your content and tell you, the type of digital products that you can create in your coaching business. So there are different ways to work with me. Of course, that's in the description. But that's what I want you to know, is that it all depends on where you are, your goals, and what you desire to do. Okay. So you love this type of content, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also like this video, share it to anyone that needs some resources when it comes to their digital assets and where to sell them to. If you want to get a little bit more closer, I would love for you to join my Elevate Your Coaching Business Daily newsletter. I send out a newsletter daily, Monday through Friday, where I send 3 quick and valuable resources to help you to maximize your digital assets. You can join that absolutely for free. We have over 500 women on that list that love getting my resources every day, Monday through Friday. Okay. So until the next time, I see you guys in the next video.